What if your turning tool could actually tell you what's happening in the cut? What's up, everybody? Welcome back to PTSecrets. Turning operations are often treated like a black box. You set feeds and speeds, you hit cycle start, and hope nothing goes wrong. When it does, you aren't sure why. Today, we're talking about a next level product that can open that black box. CoroTurn Plus from Sandvik. It's a sensorized turning system designed to bring real-time process insight, stability, and data-driven decision-making to CNC turning. CoroTurn Plus integrates directly into your turning setup. Built-in sensors measure cutting forces, vibrations, and process stability. This data is streamed in real time, giving you visibility you simply don't get with conventional tooling. It can be connected directly to the machine and is compatible with brands like DN, DMG, Akuma, and Mazak, or streamed to a tablet with Sandvik's monitoring software. Instead of guessing why chatter starts or why inserts fail, CoroTurn Plus lets you see it happening live. Let's break down the core features. CoroTurn Plus continuously monitors cutting forces and vibration levels during turning operations, giving immediate feedback on tool engagement and stability. The system combines physical tooling with digital capabilities, allowing live data stream and integration into automation or monitoring platforms. When abnormal cutting conditions are detected, like excess vibration or overload, the system can trigger protective actions to prevent tool breakage or scrap. This turns your tool holder into an active process guardian, not just a stick. So what does this actually mean for machinists and manufacturers? Improved stability by identifying vibration and force spikes early. CoroTurn Plus helps stabilize turning operations, especially on thin or difficult to machine parts. Consistent cutting conditions lead to better surface finish and tighter dimensional control. Live monitoring reduces the risk of catastrophic tool failure and bad parts, especially in unintended or automated production. The system documents cutting data, allowing teams to analyze trends, optimize parameters, and continuously improve the processes over time. CoroTurn Plus is designed to work within Sandvik's broader CoroTurn turning platform, which includes tool holders and adapters for internal and external turning, compatibility with established CoroTurn ISO insert families, as well as CoroTurn Prime. Application coverage from roughing to finishing across all materials. This means you're not locked into a niche system. You're upgrading a familiar turning platform with intelligence and connectivity. CoroTurn Plus is especially valuable for high-value components, slender or vibration-prone parts, automated or lights-out machining, and shops focused on Industry 4.0 and data-driven manufacturing. If downtime, scrap, or instability costs you real money, this system pays attention when you can't. CoroTurn Plus represents a major shift in turning, from experience-based guessing to measured monitoring and optimized cutting. If you want smarter tooling instead of harder troubleshooting, get with your local PT Solutions team and we'll help you decide if this system is worth understanding. I want to give a big thanks to my friends here at Sandvik for letting us come in and use their state-of-the-art tech center. It's partners like this that help us to keep pushing our industry forward. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Performance Tooling Secrets.